Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, electronic stability control, trip computer, fog lights, compass, leather seats, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, tinted glass, body color door handles. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.